All right, sun's coming up this morning. So, I gotta get my little pad to sit on. I have no more body fat. I'm down to almost 0% body fat. So I get cold easily. Oh, hold on. To sit on my little butt on the concrete. Yeah, the bones just. So everything went sideways completely on me. My truck broke down. It's gonna be 900, 1,000 to fix it. I got 400 for the rest of the month. So I'm totally screwed again. But I'm gonna try to sit down, get some clarity, wait for my animals. Don't know. It just screwed everything up because now I can't even get stuff into storage. All right, here's the sun coming up. I got my Echinacea tea. Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a minute and talk to you guys soon.